In this tutorial, we're going to use two separate merge boxes as a way to design around a design element on an envelope. I'm going to use an address list that we've used for other tutorials. And I'm going to change it from standard to have a format that has only the name as the first line. Everything else is we're going to deselect. And I'm going to give this a name as standard one name only. And we're going to take this name, we're going to format the choice of the data field to have a font. Oh, let's use copperplate on this one. I'll use copperplate bold, size, we'll give it a little bit bigger, size 20. The other thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to choose left justified, my paragraph, and I'm going to now resize and reposition this text box. I save what I have in it, make it a little bit wider, and let's try position it right there. The next thing I'm going to do is insert a text box. I'm going to use the CBD border dings. And whenever we insert something, it always goes in the upper left-hand corner. So I'm going to take my inserted text box and I'm going to make it active and use my virtual keyboard. I'm going to use the ding that's associated with the letter H. Want it to be bigger, so I'm going to highlight it and just click it till I get the size that I want. And I'm going to change the size of my text box, of course. I could angle that, but I think I like it the way that it is there. Now I'm going to create a second text box, the merge box, and I'm going to create a new format that's going to contain the rest of my address, which in this case is going to start with address line 1 and address line 2, etc. It's just going to shift everything up. And I'm going to call this standard address and city only. And as everything else, the upper left-hand corner, I'm going to resize the text box. I'm going to select my formatting for it. I'm going to select everything in it. I'm going to give it a font size of 18 and copperplate again. And I'm going to paragraph align left. And there it is. And we can now scroll through. I got to reposition this actually. A little too tight maybe. And now we can scroll through our list and see what they look like.